United 8168, runway 10 left, Delta Delta, turn right heading 180, clear for takeoff.
Right turn 180, clear for takeoff, 10 left, Delta Delta,
United
United
2627, runway 10 left, Delta Delta, line up and wait, 130 at 12, advise ready for departure.
Alright, 2627, line up and wait, 10 left, Delta Delta will arrive.
United 2439, departure 1250, good night.
250, United 2439, too.
Sorry, 2627,
United 2627, thank you, runway 10 left, Delta Delta, flighting 090, clear for takeoff.
090, clear for takeoff, United 2627.
3611, runway 10 left, Delta Delta, line up and wait, 130 at 12, advise ready for departure. United 8168, right turn 180.
Right turn heading 180, United 8168.
United 1774, stop climb and maintain 2,500.
1774, maintain 2,500.
United 2627, maintain 3000, please.
3,000, United 2627.
United 2627, traffic 11 o'clock in 2 miles, turning southbound and Airbus out of 3,700.
Yeah, 1774, climb maintain 5,000, thank you.
Climb to 5,000 at 1774.
United 8168, climb maintain 6,000.
6,000, United 8168.
United 2627, climb maintain 4,000.
4,000, United 2627.
Brickyard 3611, runway 10 left, Delta Delta, turn right heading 180, clear for takeoff.
For takeoff, 10 left, Delta Delta, heading 180, Brickyard 3611.
Go 70, thanks for the help.
Right turn 070, United 1774.
United 1503, runway 10 left, Delta Delta, line up and wait, 10013.
Left and wait, 10 left, Delta Delta, United 1503. Yeah, 1774, contact departure 125.0, have a nice day.
125.0, United 1774, good day.
United 2627, contact departure 125.0 and climb maintain 5,000.
I maintain 5,000, go to departure, United 2627.
United 8168, possible pilot deviation, advise ready to copy the phone number.
Go ahead.
Area code 773 601.
Got it, thank you.
United 8168, contact departure on 125.0, good night.
250, United 18.